Dis is Matisse at Romansrivier in Woolsley. This tree is planted on Floregard. This is third leaf trees now. And there's about 10 to 12 tons per hectare on these trees. Bricks of this fruit is 16. Size of the fruit is very good. Also the color. Still very firm. This variety harvest just before Luciana. Week 50. Size, peak on a count, 2018.